Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jamaican wine cake. First, you'll need to prepare your dried fruits. Soak a generous 2 pounds of mixed dried fruits, like raisins and currants, in about 1 cup of red wine and 1/2 cup of dark rum. This crucial step should be done at least 2 weeks in advance, allowing the fruits to absorb the rich flavors and become wonderfully plump for your delicious cake. Next, let's prepare the cake batter. In a large bowl, cream together 1 pound of unsalted butter and 1 pound of brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then, gradually beat in 6 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. In a separate bowl, sift 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a blend of aromatic spices. Now it's time to bake your masterpiece. Pour the prepared batter into a greased and floured 9-inch round cake pan. Bake it in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 2 hours. To check for doneness, insert a wooden skewer into the center. It should come out clean. Immediately after removing from the oven, generously pour about 1/2 cup of your wine and rum mixture over the hot cake. For the perfect finish, allow your cake to cool completely. This is where the magic truly happens. Over the next few days, continue to feed the cake by pouring about 1/4 cup of the wine and rum mixture over it daily. This process ensures a deeply moist and flavorful cake. Store your Jamaican wine cake in an airtight container to preserve its richness. Enjoy this festive treat with family and friends.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.